Ever wondered where in the world Americans are in high demand? Seriously, are there countries that can't wait for you to show up with your American know-how, entrepreneurial spirit, and can-do attitude? Well, spoiler alert, yes, there are. And we're not talking about countries desperate for hamburgers and baseball. We're talking real opportunities for work, lifestyle upgrades, and personal growth. So, pack your bags because we're about to explore the top 10 countries practically rolling out the red carpet for Americans. We're talking job opportunities, cultural experiences, and the whole 9 yards. Whether you're dreaming of a new career or craving a cultural adventure, these countries have something for everyone. First up, Japan, the land of the rising sun. This country is famous for its cutting-edge technology, mouth-watering sushi, and a mix of ultra-modern cities and ancient traditions. But did you know that Japan has an urgent need for English teachers? That's right. If you speak English, and I'm betting you do, Japan has tons of opportunities for you. The country is pouring resources into improving English fluency, so they need native speakers to help their citizens stay globally competitive. And it's not just about teaching grammar rules. You'll get a front row seat to one of the most unique and exciting cultures in the world. You could be teaching by day and sampling some of the best ramen or sushi by night. But don't put away your tech dreams just yet. Japan is also a hub for technology professionals, especially in software development, artificial intelligence, and robotics. If you've ever dreamed of working in one of the world's most futuristic economies, Japan's tech industry is calling your name. Imagine grabbing coffee in a Tokyo skyscraper and working alongside the brightest minds in tech, then enjoying a peaceful stroll in a Zen garden after work. Next, we're off to Germany, a country where efficiency, precision, and passion come together like sausage and sauerkraut. Germany is famous for its robust economy, historic castles, and engineering prowess, which is great news for you if you've got a background in engineering. Germany has a strong demand for engineers in the automotive, mechanical, and tech sectors. You could find yourself working for giants like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, or Siemens, helping to drive some of the most innovative projects in the world. And the best part? German companies highly value the American work ethic. Your problem-solving abilities and out-of-the-box thinking will be put to good use. But it's not all work and no play. Germany has a rich culture and history, from the medieval streets of Heidelberg to the vibrant city life of Berlin. And let's not forget Oktoberfest, where you'll experience German culture at its finest. Think giant pretzels, world-class beer, and more lederhosen than you thought possible. So, if you're an engineer or tech professional looking for adventure, Germany's ready to welcome you with open arms. And probably a bratwurst. Pack your bags because we're flying over to China, one of the most dynamic economies on the planet. From the bustling skyscrapers of Shanghai to the serene beauty of the Great Wall, China is a place where old meets new, and the opportunities are endless. One of the top demands in China right now? You guessed it, English teachers. If you can teach English, you can make a real difference in helping Chinese students become more globally connected. Teaching in China is not just a job. It's a cultural exchange. You'll be experiencing everything from traditional tea ceremonies to the fast-paced life of China's modern megacities. But don't think it's all classrooms and textbooks. You'll also have opportunities to explore China's rich history, visit ancient temples, and even learn some Mandarin along the way. China's economy is booming, and it's not just English teachers they need. If you have experience in business consulting, China's emerging markets are ripe with opportunities for American professionals. Whether you're helping companies navigate the international business world or providing insights on market growth, your expertise is highly sought after. You could be discussing strategy in a boardroom one day and hiking the Great Wall the next. Not too bad. Next, we're hopping over to South Korea, where high-tech meets high culture. You might know South Korea for its K-pop sensations and mouth-watering kimchi, but this country has much more going for it. Especially if you're an English teacher or tech professional. South Korea places a high value on English proficiency, which has created a massive demand for English teachers. If you have a TEFL certification or relevant teaching experience, you'll find plenty of schools looking to hire. The education system in South Korea is highly respected, and teaching here offers the chance to make a real difference in students' lives while enjoying the country's vibrant culture. But that's not all. South Korea is a global leader in technology. From artificial intelligence to robotics, they're at the forefront of technological advancements. If you're skilled in any tech-related field, you're in high demand. Just imagine spending your days working on cutting-edge tech projects and your nights singing your heart out at a karaoke bar, which, by the way, is everywhere. And don't forget the beautiful blend of modern and traditional. One day you'll be wandering around ancient palaces. The next, you'll be strolling through high-tech districts like Gangnam. Plus, you'll have the chance to participate in cultural festivals and events that bring the local traditions to life. Let's hop on over to the land down under Australia. Known for its stunning beaches, fascinating wildlife, and laid-back lifestyle, Australia is also a place of booming career opportunities. The country is facing a significant shortage of healthcare professionals like nurses and doctors. If you're in healthcare, Australia needs you, big time. With an aging population and a focus on providing high-quality care, Australia is rolling out the welcome mat for American healthcare workers. And what could be better than spending your free time surfing at Bondi Beach or exploring the outback after a day at work? But if healthcare isn't your thing, don't worry. Australia's engineering sector is thriving as well, particularly in mining, infrastructure, and construction. Australia is growing fast, and it needs engineers to help build the future, literally. Imagine yourself working on groundbreaking projects in the morning and kicking back at a beach BBQ in the evening. Oh, and did we mention kangaroos? Next up, United Arab Emirates, UAE, the land where luxury meets limitless career opportunities. The UAE, especially cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi, is experiencing rapid growth in business sectors like finance, tourism, and technology. If you're a business professional with experience in these fields, the UAE is practically begging for your skills. The UAE also needs engineers to work on ambitious projects. Think futuristic skyscrapers and cutting-edge renewable energy solutions. American professionals are valued here for their technical expertise and innovation. And don't worry, you'll be doing all this in some of the most high-tech, luxurious offices in the world. But outside of work, we'll have the chance to enjoy desert safaris, shopping sprees in world-class malls, and maybe even a ride on a camel or two. Welcome to Canada. This country is known for its friendly people, stunning natural landscapes, and, of course, poutine. Google it, you won't be sorry. But did you know that Canada is currently experiencing a shortage of healthcare workers? Particularly in rural areas, Canada needs dedicated nurses, doctors, and other medical professionals. Canada offers not just professional growth, but also an amazing quality of life. You'll work in some of the best healthcare facilities in the world while living in one of the most beautiful and friendly countries on Earth. In your downtime, you could be skiing in Whistler, exploring Banff National Park, or enjoying a quiet evening in a cozy cabin. Canada's tech sector is also on fire. The country is actively recruiting professionals in software development, artificial intelligence, and data science. American expertise in tech is highly valued here, and you'll be working on cutting-edge projects that have a global impact. Plus, Canadians are some of the nicest people you'll ever meet, so get ready to make friends over Tim Hortons coffee and hockey game. Now we're off to the vibrant land of Brazil. Known for its beautiful beaches, lively festivals, and rich biodiversity, Brazil also happens to be a hotspot for engineers. Brazil is rapidly developing its infrastructure, and they need civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers to help build and maintain the country's growing cities and transportation systems. But engineering isn't the only sector with opportunities. Brazil's business world is booming, and they're actively seeking business consultants to help guide their growth. If you have experience in business strategy or market development, Brazil wants your skills. Plus, you'll get to live in a country famous for its stunning landscapes and cultural celebrations. From samba dancing at Carnival to exploring the Amazon rainforest, Brazil offers a one-of-a-kind adventure. Who wouldn't want to work in a country that feels like a permanent vacation? Our next stop is Singapore, one of the world's most technologically advanced cities. Singapore is a global leader in finance, tech, and innovation, and it's looking for American professionals with expertise in these fields. If you have experience in fintech, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity, Singapore is ready to offer you top-tier opportunities. Singapore's strategic location makes it a hub for businesses across the world, and its work-life balance is second to none. Spend your weekdays working in sleek modern offices and your weekends exploring lush tropical gardens, enjoying world-class cuisine, or visiting nearby countries in Southeast Asia. Plus, Singapore is home to some of the most unique architectural wonders and cultural fusion experiences. You'll be living in the city of tomorrow while working on the cutting-edge innovations of today. Finally, we've reached the ultimate destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. New Zealand. With its stunning landscapes, from rugged mountains to serene beaches, New Zealand is also facing a shortage of healthcare workers and engineers. If you're in either of these fields, New Zealand wants you badly. The healthcare system here is known for being one of the best in the world, and they need doctors and nurses to keep up with the growing demand. If you're in engineering, you'll help New Zealand develop its infrastructure while enjoying one of the most beautiful countries on Earth. Whether you're into hiking, skiing, or exploring the great outdoors, New Zealand has it all. On your days off, you could be hiking the famous Milford Track, bungee jumping, or simply enjoying a quiet day by a crystal-clear lake. This country offers the perfect balance of professional opportunity and adventure. So, there you have it. These 10 countries are practically calling your name, offering opportunities for personal and professional growth. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an educator, a healthcare worker, or someone looking for an exciting new adventure, these countries want you and your American know-how. Which country are you eyeing? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more global opportunities coming your way.